Amidst the ongoing deadlock over farm laws, the government and farmers are going to be holding 10th round of talks at Delhi's Vigyan Bhavan in just about a bit. They were to start at 2, but they're just about to start in some time. Farmers have reached the venue at the moment. Home Minister is meeting Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar along with Railway Minister Piyush Goyal at his residence. In the talks held thus far, there's been no concrete outcome or any plausible solution, even as farmers' agitation is continuing for nearly 2 months. While the farmers are now pushing for repealing of the laws, the government is insisting on amendments to address the issues that are faced by the farmers. Meanwhile, the army has asked the veterans not to don the uniforms or display medals while attending farmers' protests. Sources said the uniforms or medals cannot be worn while attending a public gathering or protests.
जो कह रहे हैं कि खेती तीनों कानूनों को रद्द करने की रिपील जो है उनको रद्द करने की बात छोड़कर किसी और विकल्पों या और बिंदुओं पर गलबात करने के लिए किसान आए। किसान बिल्कुलों किसान जथेबंदियां दे आगू या किसान बिल्कुल ये गल मानने को तैयार नहीं। असी तो उसकी रिपील पर खड़े हैं और तिन्ने खेती कानून रद्द किए जाएँ और MSP का वक्रा कानून बनाया जाए। उससे काम सानू कोई भी मंजूर नहीं। असी अपनी बात पर बिल्कुल अड़ेंगे।
सरकार जो मर्जी बातें करे, हमारी तो केवल ये पहले मांगा कि तीनों कृषि कानून जो किसी किसान ने आज तक मांगे नहीं, आपने गले का फंदा बनाकर किसानों के गले में डाल दिया है, उसको आप पहले रिपील करें, उसके बाद कोई चर्चा होगी।
Kamaljeet is now joining us from Vigyan Bhavan. Kamaljeet, the meeting was supposed to begin at 2 p.m. Has that begun or there's still time? And if you could just get us all that's on the agenda, given that 9th round of talks did not get any kind of plausible resolution, perhaps hoping that this one does, but doesn't look likely, isn't it?
The bus carrying the 40 farmer union leaders came in a while ago. They gave their reaction and there was a bit show of strength before they walked inside to Vigyan Bhavan. Remember, they are in for talks for the 10th round. There's not much hope because remember the deadlock continues with each of the sides maintaining their stand. That is now led to a status quo. The upcoming discussion is one about the 26th January where there is going to be a tractor parade by the farmers. The other more important by the farmers is about the NIA summons being sent to a lot number of people, including those associated with the farmer agitation. Now, we spoke to several leaders and they said this is a dual nature of the government. On one side, they want to outreach with the farmers. On the other hand, they're also sending the NIA summons to several of those associated with the farmer agitation, saying this is not really going to cut ice. They're still adamant on their 2 major demands, one including taking back the 3 farmer bills and the other about guaranteeing of the MSP. Now, it doesn't seem to really cut much ice, but immediate response of the government is mostly about January 26th, because this is a sensitive time where security forces are already on their toes. But with all thousands of these tractors now trying to get in, especially on the outer ring road of Delhi, is going to be a massive problem. So again, will there be a certain meeting ground? Doesn't seem so. Reason being that each is sticking to its own stand, and perhaps people are thinking if there could be some intervention, perhaps from the Supreme Court with a committee, but that is also not happened. So we'll really have to see whether the meeting goes on for very long or is it going to come to an abrupt end without any solution.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Kamaljeet, for joining us with the very latest on this particular story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.